second class.
Boolean algebra. It is the second chapter. In that, you have to study about the Boolean algebra concept. That is binary number system. Boolean algebra is an algebra that is study about the binary number system. Okay, but Boolean algebra is a to study about the binary binary number system. To study about the binary number system, those binary number systems like 0 and 1. In first few concept, that is binary number systems are used in a first few concept, that is data represent in a data representation chapter. The computer can understand a binary number system. Computer can understand binary number system. So that is binary digit. All the values, all the data and information are stored only 0 and 1 only. So true and false like that. Data are stored in a computer memory. Data is how to data is represented in a computer memory like a binary digits, like binary number system, binary digits. Using binary digits, all the data and informations are stored in a computer memory. So in a Boolean algebra, using binary number system to study about the binary number system, that is called Boolean algebra. So there are 4 types of number systems in our first few concept. Decimal number system, that is 10. Decimal number system, that is 10 numbers are there, and binary number system, that is 2 numbers are there, and also octal number system, that is 8 numbers are there. Hexadecimal number system, that is 16 numbers are there. So those are 4 types of number system. In that binary number system only used in a Boolean algebra concept. So that's why now starts the introduction part about the Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is introduced by George Boole. Is a scientist. George Boole. George Boole is a scientist to introduce the Boolean algebra in 1854. In 1854, George Boole to introduce the Boolean algebra concept. So in a Boolean algebra concept, to create a logic circuit, logic gates, and using logic gate, logic circuits are creating, and logic circuits are passing the signals, electronic signals. That is, logical signals are passed from one part to another part using logic circuits. To create a logic circuits, logic gates using Boolean algebra concept. So true and false, either signals, true signal or false signals, that is 0 and 1 signals are passed by using logic circuits. Logic circuits all are created by all are studied in the Boolean algebra concept. So Boolean algebra is introduced by George Boole in 1854. This is also Boolean algebra is also called as switching algebra. Switching algebra. Boolean algebra is also called as switching algebra because to switch the logic circuits from one circuit to another circuit, to pass the signals from one circuit to another circuit, So that's why this is also called as Boolean algebra is also called as switching algebra. So next concept, okay, binary valued quantities. This is actually basic or introduction part about the Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is an algebra to study or to deals about binary number system, that is 0 and 1 only. Then George Boole to introduce the Boolean algebra in 1854. This is also called as switching algebra. Then next concept, binary value quantities. Binary value quantities. Binary value quantities are, there are two binary value quantities. One is binary variables. Binary variables, and another one is binary constants. Constants. So binary variables are, all the alphabets are, okay, binary variables, either capital letter A to Z or small letter A to Z are called as, okay, binary variables. Binary variables are, okay, all the alphabets are binary variables, either capital A to Z or small a to Z letters are used as a binary variables. And constants, binary constants. Binary constants are only two, one is 0, another one 1. Okay, each variable can hold either 0 or 1. Any one value is stored in each variable. So that's why binary constant or Boolean binary constant that contains only two values. One is 0 and another one 1. 0 means false. False. And 1 means true. So two values are present in the constants. One is 0 and 1. Okay. Every variable. Okay. Each and every variable can hold two possible values. One is 0, another one 1. Because binary constants are two. One is 0 and another one 1. So binary value quantities in that variables and constants are there. The binary variables are the variables. Each variable, okay, can store two possible values. One is 0, another one 1. Okay, binary variables are alphabets, either small letter and capital letter alphabets. Alphabets are as a variables, binary variables, and constants are only two values. That is, one is 0, another one 1. 0 means false, 1 means true. So true signals and false signals are possible like this only. Then next one, logical operations. Next concept is logical operations. Logical operation. Logical operation means the combination of logical operation in that logical function. Logical function are also called as logical expression are also called as logical statement. Logical means another name called as Boolean. Boolean function or Boolean expression or Boolean statement. So this is a okay, logical operation. In that logical functions are there. Logical operation, there are two concepts. One is logical function, another one logical operators. Function means, expression means, okay, that is a combination of logical variables and logical operators. Logical variables and logical operators are combined, will get the logical expression. Logical expression is equivalent to, is combined, is a combination of logical operators and logical variables. So logical operators, right? Three types of operators are present in the logical operators. One is not, another one is and, another one is or. Three logical operators are present in the logical operator types, and also logical variables are constants, right? Logical variables like capital A to Z or small a to Z are the logical variables. So logical expression or Boolean expression is a combination of logical operators and logical variables. This is called as logical expression. Okay, like not and are the logical operators. Logical variables are small capital A to Z and small a to Z. So before going to logical expression, just study about the mathematical expression. Mathematical expression. How to work the mathematical expression? Just 2a plus 3b minus 6c divide d. Right? This is a mathematical expression. In that all variables and constants and also operators are combined. Variables and operators are combined in this expression. This is actually mathematical expression, but Boolean expression is different from mathematical expression because these operators are mathematical operators, but logical operators are different. And not and are the logical operators. This is expanded just 2 into a plus 3 into b plus minus 6 into c divide d. Right? The expressions are written like this only. This is actually a simple form of mathematical expression. In that variables and operators are there. The different operators are used in this expression. It is mathematical operators are used, but in the logical expression, logical operators are used. How to use the logical operator? Similarly, when mathematical expression like a logical expressions also right like that only. But the operators are different. Variables are same. Constants are different. Here decimal constants are used. 0 to 9 constants use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ 0 to 9. But in a logical constants only 0 to 1 constants are there. So now I take the simple logical expression. Simple logical expression like x. Logical expression like x plus y. X plus y. X or y. X or y means R symbol is plus. R symbol is plus. And symbol is dot. And not symbol is bar. So three symbols are used in the logical operators. X plus y means x or y plus it performs the logical operation, but this plus performs the mathematical addition. It is the logical addition. Mathematical this plus performs the mathematical addition, but this plus performs the logical addition. So that's why x or y is the expression. This expression can be read as like this only, x or y The same way x dot y, that is read as x and y. In the same way, these two are simple expressions. Simple Boolean expression are logical expression. Now I take the compound expression. How to write the compound expression? X plus y dot z bar. This is the compound expression. Compound expression means two or more operators are present in the single expression, that is called compound expression. Two or more operators are present. This is the one operator, two operator, three operator. Three operators are present in the single expression. Here, this is a single expression x plus y, but that contains only one operator, that is a plus, that is r only. This is a single operator, single expression, simple expression that contains single operator, that is AND operator. But this is a compound expression that contains three operators are there. How to read this expression like x r y and not z, like that. This expression is read like this only, x r y and not z. X r plus means r, y, then dot means and, z bar means not z. It is complement of z. Like that, compound expressions are written in the logical expressions. This is a logical expression concept. Logical expression is a combination of logical operators and logical variables. Then logical expressions, operators like and or not are the logical operators. Logical variables are all alphabets are logical variables. So mathematical expressions are 2a plus 3b, like simple mathematical expression. In that mathematical operators are used, plus, minus, star and divide. But in a logical expression, and or not are the logical operators are used in the logical expression. So this is the logical expression concept. So the simple logical expression, see the compound logical expression. Compound expression means two or more operators are present in a single expression, that is called logical expression. Single operator present in the expression called simple expression. So this is a concept about logical operation. Now to take the logical operator in logical operation. Next concept, logical operators. Logical operators. Before going to study about the logical operator, first you have to what is truth table. What is truth table? Truth table means this is a table to representing all possible input combination with respect to output result. Output result or possible input combination. This is actually table to representing what are the inputs are there, what are the outputs are there. Corresponding input, corresponding outputs are listed out in the truth table. This is actually binary values are listed out. Or truth table is a table that represent all possible values of the variables with respect to corresponding output, with respect to corresponding output results. Output results the one input combination, then correct the corresponding output result. Like that, all possible input combinations for the variables, okay, and corresponding outputs are listed out in the truth table. That is called truth table. Now you have to simple truth table. We take the simple truth table about the x plus y. Okay, x plus y again truth table. X is the one variable, another one is y, and x plus means that is r. X, r, y. All possible values, like if one variable can hold two values, x can hold two values, x can hold two values, then y can hold two values, then another two possible values are there. If x and y both are 0, both are 1, two possibles, and x is 0, y is 1, and next y is 1, x is 1, y is 0. So both are 1, both are 0, x0, y1, x1, y0, both are 1. Four possible values are there. Okay, if one variable, two possible values, either 0 or 1, either 0 or 1. If two variables are there, okay, four possible values, one possible, 2, 3, and 4 possible input combinations are there. If three variables, 8 possible. If three variables are there, 8 possible combinations are arranged. Like one variable, two combination, two variable, four combination, three variable, 8 combination, x, y, z, w, x, y, z, that is 4 variable, 16 combination. Like that, 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. This is the 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2 means two variables. 2 means that is the base, two values are there. Okay, 2 is the power. Power means variable. How many variable? How many variable? One variable. One variable again. 2 to the power of 1 means 2 only. Two possible value. 2 is the power. It is the two variable. 2 to the power of 2 means 4. Four possible values. Four possible values. Then 2 to the power of 3 means 8. 8 possible values are there. And 2 to the power of 4 means 16. 16 possible values are arranged. Like that, okay, input combinations are arranged in the truth table. Now I take the simple truth table in that, okay, x plus y. Using x plus y result 0, 0 plus 0 only. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 actually, but that is the value is 1 only. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 value means, okay, 2 binary number system is, 2 binary number is 1, 0. So that value is 1 only. Right? Okay, this is actually truth table for x plus y. Now in that truth table, all the possible input combination corresponding output combination. So that's why this is a truth table. Okay. Input combination. How many input combination? This is the first input combination, that corresponding output. This is the second input combination, corresponding output. Third input combination, corresponding output result. Fourth input combination, corresponding output result. Like that, the truth tables are right in the, okay, logical operations. In the same way, next concept, okay, what is tautology and falsity? Two concepts in the truth table. Or when tautology, truth table. The truth table called as tautology. What is tautology? So tautology means all the possible, if all the possible results always 1. Okay, if all possible results in the truth table, okay, all possible results, this is the result column, that is result column, this is input column, these two are inputs. Okay, inputs column, result column always 1. Okay, if That is, if a result column is always 1, then that is called as tautology. Okay. If the result of the truth table is always 1, then it is called tautology. Then in case result of the truth table is always 0, like this is also, in case this is also 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, all the possible results are 1 only, then that is called as, this table called as tautology table. In case falsy, falsy, what is falsy? Falsy means 0. All the possible, if result of the truth table is always 0, if result of the truth table is always 0, then that is called as, okay, that is called as, okay, falsy truth table. Falsy truth table. Result of the truth table is always called as falsy table. Okay, result of the truth table always any, okay, all the possible result is 0 only, then that is a, okay, result of the truth table is always a, okay, falsy, that is called as falsy. Now this is a tautology and falsy in the truth table concept. So truth table is a table that represent all the possible input combination and corresponding output results. So simple definition about the, okay, truth table. All the is a truth table is a table all the possible input combinations with respect to output result. Output result. This is the truth table and tautology. If the result of the truth table is always a 0, sorry, if the result of the truth table is always 1, then that is called as tautology truth table, and result of the truth table is always 0, that is called as, okay, falsy truth table. Now the next concept, okay, it is logical operators. There are three logical operators are present in the, okay, logical expression concept. So there are basic logical operators are there. Okay, using already studied in the logical expression and are not are the logical operators. Just how to work the logical operators. Just there are three types of okay, logical operators are there. One is not operator, not operator. Another one is AND operator, and another one is OR operator. Three operators are present in the logical operators. So now today class we have to discuss about the only one, first one. It is called as NOT operator. NOT operator is a okay, it is used to single variable. Not operator, it uses the single variable. Single variable na use ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so it depends on single variable. Only one variable is used by not operator. Okay, cannot uses the multi variable. Multi variables ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. So that's why it uses single variable. Okay, it depends on single variable. So that's why unary operator. Okay, so not operator is a single variable. It depends on, it operates on single variable. Then it not operator symbol is bar. Bar is a not operator symbol. Okay, bar is a not operator symbol. Okay, bar that not operator is working like this. X bar. X bar means complement of x. Okay, x bar means complement of x. This is a not operator. In the same way, xy or bar means complement of, okay, complement of xy. Xy reverse xy bar. X reverse x bar, or x bar reverse x. Okay, xy or bar reverse is xy. Like that, the reverse of that is a complementation. This operator, it performs logical complementation. Not operator, it performs logical complementation. So possible input results and possible inputs and corresponding outputs for the not operator is, okay, one is possible input for x. Single variable is used by the, okay, it operates on single variable. So that's why single variable is x. Now I take the x, any variable you take that in the alphabets. Like I take the x and bar is a not operator symbol. Okay, like one variable can hold two values. One is 0, another one is 1. X, that is complement is x bar. Like x bar means x complement of x. So that's why, okay, x result is complemented, that is reverse, that is a 1. Then 1 result is always 0. Like that, that is the truth table for the, okay, two possible values for the, okay, not operator. So if it is a 0 complement, that is equivalent to 1 complement, that is equivalent to 0. Like that, not operator is working. This is a simple Venn diagram. So possible values about the, okay, truth table for the not operator. This is the truth table for the not operator, basic truth table for the not operator, and also simple Venn diagram for not operator. This is actually x and this is a x bar. X, if it is this area is x, then outside area is called as x bar. If it is this is a 0, and automatically that is a reverse 1. If it is this is a 1, and automatically outside area is, okay, 0. Like that, the reverse of area. This is the Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram. Venn diagram for, okay, not operator. So this is the concept about the not operator. Not operator, it performs a logical complementation because it operates on single, okay, variable. It operates on single variable. Logical complementation means logical reverse. Okay, reverse of the given value. If it is a 0 is there, that is reverse to 1. If it is a 1 is there, that is reverse to, okay, 0. Like that, the not operator is working. Not operator symbol is bar. Bar is a not operator symbol, and x bar means complement of x. Xy or bar, that is a complement, it means complement of xy. Like that, okay, x, the not operator is read like this only. X bar means, it means complement of x, that is the reverse of x. means x bar. Reverse of xy means xy whole bar. So simple truth table about the NOT operator. I take the one variable that is called x. X can hold two possible values. One is 0, another one 1. Okay, x bar, that is complement of x. The reverse of 0 is 1 and reverse of 1 is 0. Like that, two possible input and corresponding to possible output. So this is the basic truth table about the NOT operator. And also, so not 0 complement is equal to 1 and 1 complement is equal to 0. And also this is the Venn diagram for NOT operator. This area, circle area, as considered as x, and outside of circle is considered as x bar. If it is a 0, that is 1. If it is a 1, that is a 0. Like that, NOT operator is working. Remaining two operators are studied in the next class. Thank you.